Welcome to Review Lab. The best 3M N100 mask is probably one of the most crucial pieces of personal protective equipment you can own, especially in environments where airborne particles are a concern, offering a high level of filtration to protect your respiratory health. This mask is engineered with advanced materials to ensure a secure fit and comfortable wear, making it an essential tool for anyone prioritizing safety and well-being in their daily lives or specific occupational settings. Number 5. 3M 6200 Half Facepiece Reusable Respirator. This respirator is NIOSH approved, meaning it has been tested and verified to help reduce your exposure to certain airborne contaminants when used with compatible 3M cartridges, filters, or supplied air systems. Experience a comfortable fit with its soft, lightweight design. The easy-to-adjust head straps allow for a customized fit that feels just right for you. This respirator is built to last. It can be easily taken apart, cleaned, and reused, and it comes with a convenient storage bag to keep it protected when not in use. It's designed to work with our bayonet connection cartridges and filters. This allows you to effectively filter a wide range of gases, vapors, and particulates depending on your needs. We've included adjustment points directly on the facepiece. This ensures better compatibility when you need to wear it with other personal protective equipment. Whether you're painting, sanding, cleaning, or working in construction and general manufacturing, this respirator provides reliable protection for demanding jobs. What we like. This respirator is built for durability and can be cleaned and reused, making it a cost-effective choice for frequent use. Its bayonet connection system allows for easy attachment of various filters and cartridges, offering versatility for different tasks. If you're involved in industrial or occupational settings with recurring exposure to airborne contaminants and need a reliable, long-term solution, this is the one to consider. What people say. The mask is comfortable to wear for extended periods. It provides excellent filtration and protection against airborne particles. The adjustable nose clip ensures a secure and snug fit, preventing leaks. Number 4. 3M 8210 N95 Particulate Respirator. Introducing the 3M 8210 N95 Particulate Respirator, proudly made in the USA. This respirator offers reliable protection for your respiratory health. It is NIOSH approved, ensuring at least 95% filtration efficiency against certain non-oil-based particles. Breathe easier knowing you're protected. Designed for comfort and compatibility, it works well with your protective eyewear and hearing protection. The adjustable nose clip reduces fogging and ensures a secure fit. Featuring a two-strap design with welded dual-point attachment, it provides a secure and comfortable fit for extended wear. This ensures it stays in place during demanding tasks. Perfect for various applications like grinding, sanding, sweeping, and other dusty operations. It's also suitable for metalworking, chemical processing, and construction environments. What we like. Designed for efficiency, this mask offers at least 95% filtration against non-oil-based particles. The two-strap design ensures a secure fit, and the adjustable nose clip minimizes fogging for your protective eyewear. If you're looking for a dependable, single-use mask for dusty operations like grinding or sanding, this option provides a good balance of protection and comfort. What people say. The mask is comfortable to wear for extended periods. It provides excellent filtration and protection. The design allows for easy breathing while maintaining a secure fit. Number 3. 3M N95 Respirator 8511. Introducing the 3M N95 Respirator 8511, your reliable partner for protection. It is NIOSH approved, ensuring at least 95% filtration efficiency against certain non-oil-based particles. Experience enhanced comfort with our cool flow exhalation valve. It directs exhaled air downward, making breathing significantly easier. Compared to non-valve respirators, this mask offers up to 50% easier breathing. Our advanced filter media is designed for your comfort. Achieve a personalized and secure fit with the adjustable M-nose clip. This ensures it stays in place comfortably throughout your wear. Designed for extended use, it features stretchable, braided headbands and a lightweight construction. You can wear it comfortably for long periods. This respirator effectively filters out common airborne irritants like pollen, mold spores, and dust. It provides reliable protection when you need it most. What we like. Experience significantly easier breathing thanks to its advanced filter media and the innovative cool flow exhalation valve. This valve directs exhaled air downwards, reducing heat and moisture buildup. If you need a mask for extended wear during tasks like filtering pollen, mold spores, or dust, and prioritize comfort and breathability, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No asthma attacks or dust manure in our noses or lungs. They're also much cooler than most masks I've worn. I didn't feel like my face was sweating off. Due to the elastic bands, they also fit well, neither too tight nor too loose on my husband's larger head or my smaller one. The valve really helps when working for long hours. Reliable protection from dust. It is much easier to breathe through this mask, since it is molded and does not collapse onto the face during inhalation. The exhale vent helps it not get as humid inside the mask too. Number 2. 3M All-In-One Respirator, 10-pack. Introducing the 3M All-In-One Respirator, your best choice for a variety of tasks. It offers superior protection and comfort for extended wear. This respirator is NIOSH approved N95, ensuring at least 95% filtration efficiency against certain non-oil-based particles. It provides reliable defense against airborne contaminants. Perfect for sanding, drywall cutting, sawing, woodworking, and even yard work. It's designed to handle dusty and particle-filled environments with ease. Our advanced electrostatic media enhances particle capture while allowing for easy breathing. You can work comfortably for longer periods. The cool flow valve helps release warm, exhaled breath downwards, keeping you cooler and more comfortable. This feature directs air away from your face. Experience up to 50% easier breathing compared to previous models. This means less fatigue and more productivity during your tasks. An adjustable nose clip ensures a secure, custom seal, while the stretchable headbands and soft inner material provide all-day comfort. It's designed for a perfect fit every time. What we like. This mask is specifically designed for a range of tasks including sanding, drywall work, and painting, offering N95 protection. It features the cool flow valve for easier exhalation and advanced filter media for comfortable breathing. If you're tackling DIY projects or professional jobs involving dust and particles and want a convenient, comfortable, and effective solution, this all-in-one option is ideal. What people say. The mask is comfortable to wear for extended periods. The N95 rating ensures a high level of protection against airborne particles. The adjustable nose clip provides a secure and customized fit. Number 1. 3M 6391 Half Facepiece Respirator Assembly Kit. Introducing the 3M 6391 Half Facepiece Reusable Respirator Assembly Kit. This lightweight and comfortable respirator is designed for ease of use and adjustment. It's perfect for various applications, including welding, soldering, and asbestos handling. This product is NIOSH approved for environments containing certain oil and non-oil-based particles. It provides reliable protection against airborne contaminants. The assembly includes a comfortable half facepiece respirator and N100 particulate filter. You get everything you need for effective respiratory protection right out of the box. Experience superior comfort with its soft, lightweight facepiece. The easy-to-adjust head straps ensure a secure and personalized fit for extended wear. Featuring a convenient bayonet connection type, attaching filters is quick and simple. This design ensures a secure seal for optimal performance. Whether you're working with welding fumes, soldering applications, or dealing with asbestos, this respirator offers the protection you need. Its versatility makes it a valuable tool for professionals. What we like. This assembly kit provides P100 filtration, offering a higher level of protection against both oil and non-oil-based particles. Its lightweight and comfortable half facepiece design, combined with easy-to-adjust straps, makes it suitable for demanding environments. If your work involves hazardous particles like those found in welding, soldering, or asbestos abatement, this kit ensures superior protection and comfort. What people say. Fits great, good seal. Easy to breath, does not fog up my safety glasses. Very good mask seals to your face nicely, super easy to change filters, you can do it without taking it off. It works, it fits, and it's comfortable. I put it on and forget about it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.